Let's go ahead and make this broccolini. We're going to start with some olive oil at the bottom of the pan. Add the broccolini to the pan for about 2 to 3 minutes. Saute that butter right into the broccolini. And after the 2 minutes, we're going to take that right out of the pan. Now, after removing your broccolini, you're going to take about another teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of butter. Melt that at the bottom of the pan. We're going to add that onion and fresh cut garlic. Saute that for 2 to 3 minutes. And after we saute those onions and that fresh garlic, we're going to return the broccolini to the pan. We're going to saute that broccolini for another 2 to 3 minutes. To season, I'm using a salt-free lemon pepper. It's just that easy. Here you are, sauteed broccolini. Oh, yes, and FYI, broccolini is powered with antioxidants, anti inflammatory, and detoxification properties and contributes towards cancer prevention. If you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to It's Grandma's World.